Hi guys, welcome to Lvkun Risk to Energy project in Thailand. I'm Henan, the general manager of Lvkun company. Today we are going to introduce our project from used tire to electricity. In this project, totally including 4 kinds of machine. One is we need a shredding tire into pieces. Then go to the pyrolysis process, which we can get fuel oil. This fuel oil will be sent to the third machine, which is distillation machine. We can get oil with a flat point more than 38 degrees. Then we can go to our fourth machine, generators, which we can get electricity. This project is in the world. It's number 1, which can successfully running from this tire to the power plant to power. Okay, which we're going to show right now. This is our PLC system. We can control our system in this control room. Now we have the distillation machine in here. The distillation machine for convert the pyrolytic fuel oil into the diesel fuel, which can use into generators. Look here. This is the pyrolysis plant. We call semi-continuous pyrolysis. Which we using threading line after threading tire, the threading tire into this pyrolysis plant, which we can get the fuel oil. Okay. During the whole process of running in distillation and pyrolysis, they can save the syngas, balance the syngas, and mostly syngas will be used reheating, distillation, and pyrolysis. If some extra the syngas will be burning in here, we call extra burner room. Look at the CCTV. The first camera is the carbon discharging system. The second one, yeah, this is chamber. The third phase is generators, and this is this area. This is PLC control area. That is threading line, tire threading line. Okay, now this is the control system room. This introduced. Later we go to the site to introduce the machine. Welcome to the Henan Lvkun Risk to Energy project. Now we already finished introduce about the PLC control system. Now we are on site about the tire threading line. Here you can see is the weighting system, weight system. If I stand here, and you will see my weight on 18. And this is our raw materials used tire. See, everybody knows all the world. The used tire is a big waste in the world. So how we can solution the waste tire into anything? Most of the people use the pyrolysis machine to get fuel oil. That's all. But pyrolysis oil is a lot of sulfur. It's difficult to sell it in the euro or in the good market. So now we have our project in here is convert those waste into power. Now I show you how to get this result. The first stage is our threading line. Look, the tire will be into the big threading line, and we get the big pieces, the scrap tire. Then we go to come to here. We go to the silo tank. After the silo tank, and we go to the XTP machine. XTP machine normally it can convert the big pieces, the scrap tire into the tire chips. Because our pyrolysis machine, the loading size required about 10 to 20 mm without wire. So XTP machine is most important machine for this project. Now you can see after the XTP machine, you can get scrap tire size like 10 to 20 mm. I'm going to show the size of the rubber. See? We got the soft kind of rubber after XTP machine. The wire will be separated by the magnetic system. So inside still some wire, but no more 5 parentheses, only 3 parentheses maximum. And we introduce after threading line, the scrap tire after threading will be stored in the silo. The silo we will design the automatic conveyor and connect with our the loading system. That is for the future design. For right now, we are loading by the left and this conveyor. Here, this is our control, PLC control system. And here is the steering, which usually show the running plan in the pyrolysis. Now we are carbon detecting. Look, this is our auto-loading system. And during the loading, we will use the nitrogen system to protect it. Heating system. Normally we use because we are semi-continuous. Every time we have a sensor gas. We use sensor gas to heat the reactor. After the temperature of about 180 degrees, we have the syngas and the oil gas. Oil gas is after manifold, and we will go to the cooling system. After cooling, we will get oil in the tank. Some kind of gas cannot cooling down into the oil. And this is the gas. The syngas, after 2 scrubber with alkali cleaning, then we will go to the British pipe and go to the cooling system and heating the reactor. Now as we introduce, now we are discharging carbon at high temperature. Okay. Carbon cooling the reactor. After discharging carbon into this cooling reactor, we use the water to cool down the carbon. After the carbon cools down, and we use the automatic carbon discharging system. Come to here. Here is the manufacturing system. Here is the carbon discharging system. Look at here, this is the blower. The blower will have the carbon into the silo. Running reactor 1 and the reactor B. Even the distillation, I will show you later, maybe some syngas in the balance. So, the syngas burner room is here, very important system, use the safety running. So this some extra syngas, we will burn it in here. Then, after burning the smoke, we will go to the big pipe. Together with the pyrolysis line, go to FPS, go to the But this kind of syngas burner, you also can use the steam boiler to get a steam production, or you can go to the fuel turbine selling the electricity. Now we are in another PLC control system. This control system includes 4. One is flue degassing system, which can processing all the flue gas from pyrolysis and distillation. This one, the second one is the FPS dosing system, which matching with the FPS system to put chemical in reduce down the sulfur NOx salts. Look at here, this is terminal oxidizer. As you know, it's emitting system. So when the system have a problem, we can use the terminal oxidizer burning all gas, all syngas, even oil gas in emergency. It's for safety. Another one is distillation machine, PLC system. This is our diagram of the distillation machine. You can see all the running data in this camera and control in here. After the pyrolysis processing, we can get the flue smoke. And then firstly we go to the first two machine. We call the cyclone to reduce down the particle, smoke particle content. After that, we go to the second system. We call the SCR. Inside have SCR chemical, and we will import the urea to help to reduce down the NOx content in the flue. After that, and we will go to the cooling system. these two big scrubber for the sulfur deducting. Remove the sulfur with the alkali. Then you can see the active carbon. Active carbon can reduce the VOC, reduce the smell of smoke. After that, we will go to the stock. This stock very tall. It's according to the international design. And there is some sensor on the stove can monitoring the NOx, SOx particle. Those information will be sent to the EPA government. And look at here, that is a terminal gear or safety issue. And this one also. Now is in our distillation side. As we introduce, we will use the pyrolysis oil into the distillation machine. After distillation machine, we can get oil. The oil will be into the generator, get the power. So now you look at this is our distillation reactor. And after distillation, then we can go to the condenser system. This light oil. Light oil will be used heating distillation machine or pyrolysis machine as fuel. So in the whole project, we don't need other anything like diesel, LPG in the future. We use the syngas and the light oil to heating the system. Then we can get the fine oil to the oil exchanger machine. After exchange, then we go to the oil filter. Oil filter, after filter, we go to the tank. The tank will be ready sent to our power plant generator. Later, I'm going to show you our generator. Okay, guys, now we are in the power generation control system. And this side, we use distillation oil into our generator to get the power. Now you can see, this is our generator system. We have the two here. So generator one, this is generator one, this is generator two. Okay, and normally 1 liter distillation oil can get 4 kW, 4 unit oil. Okay, well, I show you the generators, how it looks like. See, that is the oil filter system. Here, two is the generator. Totally is 2.7 megawatt capacity. So this project from used tire to oil to distillation, oil into the generator, and then get the electricity. This is our whole project. You know, after you're using the distillation oil into the generator still have some smoke. So we still have the professional deduction system, sulfur and NOx deduction system. Okay guys, this is our project in Thailand. If anyone interested, please contact with me and we will show you how it's working. Thank you.